How to post audio comments on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from AppGuide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually post audio comments on Facebook. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, first of all, make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Facebook app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Facebook, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Facebook app, I want you to go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, let me just show you how the voice comment looks like. If I go to my profile page over here, let's say, and I will show you one of the posts which I have, and I'll show you a particular comment as well. If you look at the very bottom, you can see I have received two voice message comments over here. And as you can see, one is after 26 seconds and other is the 37 seconds. So how do people actually do this? So let me tell you that this is actually the beauty of social media. This isn't really a voice message. All it is simply a dump text. Now I will leave this also text in the description box. You can simply go ahead and then write a comment and then simply paste that particular text, and you can actually edit the bars and so on. You can also edit the timing if you want. But if I go ahead and show you that this isn't actually really playable, because if I post this over here and if I try to play it, you can see this is only a text, and this is like a simple prank which is going along the social media. And if you've been trying to figure out how people post voice comments, this is simply it. There is nothing, because Facebook doesn't allow you to post voice comment. Comments are only there because you want to go ahead and then actually type something in, or else there is just really no option. But this is it. This is for today's video. Hopefully this video gave you some insights. By the way, if you want to do this prank as well, I will leave this text in the description box. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.